Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your content creation with Grammarly, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Grammarly website. If you don't have an account, sign up for a free one. Once you're logged in, explore the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the different writing goals available. Select a writing goal that best fits your project. For example, choose between inform, describe, or persuade. Next, open the document you want to enhance. Copy and paste your content into Grammarly's editor. As you paste in your content, Grammarly will analyze it. You'll see real-time suggestions on the right side. Review the grammar suggestions carefully. Click on each suggestion for an explanation. Make edits based on Grammarly's feedback. Next, focus on clarity suggestions. Grammarly will flag sentences that may be hard to understand. Consider rewriting those sentences for improved clarity. Now, look at the tone detector feature. This feature helps you maintain a consistent voice. Make adjustments based on the tone suggestions. If you struggle with word choice, check the vocabulary enhancement suggestions. Grammarly will offer alternatives for overused words. Select substitutions that match your content style. After addressing suggestions, review your overall score. Aim for a high score to ensure quality content. Once you're satisfied, copy the final version. Paste the polished content into your desired platform or document. Check Grammarly for additional features like plagiarism detection. This ensures your work is original and properly cited. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.